Polvanesi, a company with more than 60 years of high technical and professional experience in the field of custom-made wooden doors and windows and furniture. Our company was founded in a territory that has a great tradition in woodworking, and we're still strongly tied to our artisan origins. We choose quality over quantity and use cutting-edge technology to produce more and better. Our professionals' intuition and teamwork led to the creation of All-Glass System, an innovative and revolutionary system of wood glass windows and facades. Thanks to the assembly of sliding glasses, our all-glass system allows to completely hide the wooden part of the frame and the sash. From the outside of the building, only the glass of the doors and windows will be visible. It can also be installed with sashes flush with the wall and boiseries, making the frame and the wall itself perfectly coplanar and almost invisible. A unique touch to any building, windows turn into a picture or disappear into the walls. The latest innovations to our system allow us even to create curtain walls with structural glass. In this way, an external protective skin is created, which not only gives the building a unique style, but also protects the wood, thus reducing maintenance costs over time. Constant research and study by our technical department has also made it possible to develop Minimal, a product that meets the latest trends in our field. In this innovative model, the width of the internal wooden frame is reduced to its bare minimum. In this way, even more space can be given to glass and light. In addition, the wooden frame with double sealing ensures high thermal and acoustic performances, allowing energy savings in line with existing legislation and creating the perfect living comfort in both summer and winter. All-glass system. Nothing is as it seems.